He subjected the petals to carbon dating.
It's a process wherein binibilang yung rate of decay ng isotopes ng petals. Lahat ng buhay na bagay sa mundo nag-i-emit ng isotopes na tinatawag ng carbon-14.
Ang half-life ng carbon ay 5,720. We made some computations. At yung resulta, the petals are approximately 2,000 years old na. Pero Nigel, paano nangyari yun? Ikapipitas lang nung Rufus the other day. Well, our job is just to verify the facts. Yung explanation kung bakit nangyari yun, hindi na namin mapapaliwanag.
Hannah, I think you should get in touch with the local bishop of Manawag. Hindi ordinaryo to. Marami kami na-analyze na katulad nito, pero nakakagulat. When you gave me the samples, wala pang images. Lumabas lang yung images when we started conducting the tests.
Ang dami na pala makukuha ang ebidensya, pero bakit walang lumalabas sa statement from the Vatican about this?
Mahabang proseso ang pagpapatunay ng himala, Hannah. We're just part of the Committee of First Instance. Mainit kasi ang simbahan sa mga bagay nito. Matagal ang proseso ng pag-iimbestiga eh. Minsan, habot pa yun ng taon.
Maswerte ka, Ana, kasi may miracle experience kang kagaya nito.
I-inform mo na yung bishop sa Pangasinan, and then we'll vouch for the authenticity of the petals. Pero expect mo na maraming skeptic na tao doon kasi maraming lumalabas na peke. Pero, swerte ka, Ana. Maybe the Virgin has a message for you.